the deepest parts of the ocean we've explored. Imagine a world where sunlight never reaches, where pressure towers hundreds of times greater than at the surface, and creatures dwell in utter darkness, surviving against impossible odds. This is the deep ocean, Earth's final frontier. Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the deepest parts of the ocean, reveal their secrets, celebrate the beauty of life that thrives there, and confront the responsibility we all share to ensure its protection. The ocean is vast, covering over 70% of our planet, yet humans have only explored a fraction of its depths. Most of us are familiar with its shimmering surface and colorful coral reefs, but the deep ocean is an alien realm. Below 6,000 meters lies the Hadal Zone, a hidden abyss of crushing darkness, where temperatures plummet and pressures soar. Few have dared to venture into these watery depths, making them among the most mysterious parts of Earth. But why bother exploring such an inhospitable place? Because the deep ocean holds answers to questions about Earth's history, the resilience of life, and even our future. What lies beneath isn't just a world of extreme environments. It's a story of exploration, survival, and humanity's profound connection to nature. Our journey begins with the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, plunging nearly 11 kilometers, 7 miles, beneath the Pacific Ocean's surface. To put that in perspective, if Mount Everest were dropped into the trench, its peak would still be submerged by more than 2 kilometers of water. The sheer scale is breathtaking, and reaching the bottom was once thought impossible. In 1960, explorers Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh made history by descending to the Challenger Deep, the trench's lowest point, aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. Inside a reinforced steel sphere, they endured hours of descent into an unthinkable void. When they finally reached the bottom, they were astonished to find life, a lone flatfish swimming in the murk, proving that even these extreme depths are not lifeless. More than 50 years later, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron followed their path. In 2012, he piloted the Deep-Sea Challenger on a solo dive to the Challenger Deep, a feat of technology and bravery. Cameron's descent not only inspired a new generation of explorers, but brought back vivid footage of an untouched alien world. What do you imagine when you think of life at the bottom of the ocean? Ghoulish monsters from myth? Desolate emptiness? The truth is even more remarkable. The deep ocean is teeming with life forms perfectly adapted to its harsh conditions. Among the stars of this strange ecosystem are xenophyophories, massive single-celled organisms that can grow to the size of a dinner plate, amphipods, tiny crustaceans that thrive under immense water pressure, and snailfish, the deepest living vertebrates ever discovered. These creatures represent a resilience that leaves scientists in awe. With zero light, near freezing temperatures, and immense pressure, they have evolved in ways that redefine our understanding of life itself. Their survival strategies, such as flexible skeletons, specialized enzymes, and bioluminescence, paint a picture of exquisite adaptation in an environment where the odds seem impossible. But these aren't just curiosities for the scientific community. They are symbols of nature's awe-inspiring tenacity, inspiring anyone who learns their stories. Exploring the deep isn't just a matter of curiosity, it demands cutting-edge technology. Descending into the Hadal Zone with human divers is a monumental challenge due to the extreme conditions. That's why robotic submersibles and drones have become an essential part of deep-sea discovery. Innovations like remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater drones allow scientists to map ocean floors, capture rare footage, and collect samples without facing the crushing depths themselves. Thanks to these advancements, we've captured glimpses of hydrothermal vents billowing superheated water, undersea volcanoes pulsing with activity, and trenches carved by millennia of tectonic shifts. Every expedition feels like unlocking a secret hidden for eons. The deep ocean is not just a place of rugged survival. It's a realm of unexpected beauty. Imagine shimmering bioluminescence lighting up the pitch-black darkness, or delicate sea creatures floating effortlessly in the abyss. These sights remind us of how much there is to marvel at in parts of the world most of us will never see. Yet what's even more humbling is how interconnected the deep ocean is with the rest of the planet. It regulates Earth's climate, houses immense biodiversity, and even supports life above by recycling nutrients from its depths. Every wave connects us to its mysteries, even if we live far from the sea. Our deep ocean adventure takes a sobering turn when we realize the impact humanity has already had on these remote realms. Despite their isolation, the world's deepest trenches are not untouched. Microplastics and chemical pollutants have been discovered in the Challenger Deep and other Hadal zones, demonstrating the far-reaching consequences of human activity. It's difficult to imagine, but the plastic we discard on land can make its way into the oceans and settle more than 10 kilometers below the waves. Even here, our ecological footprint is unmistakable. These discoveries are a wake-up call. No habitat, no matter how remote, is immune to human impact. So, what can be done? To protect the deep ocean, we need to take responsibility for our actions on land. Initiatives to reduce single-use plastics, improve waste management, and regulate industrial fishing and resource mining can start to make a difference. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, that extend into the deep sea is another crucial step in safeguarding these fragile ecosystems. But conservation isn't just the job of governments and scientists. It's something we can all contribute to. By reducing our environmental footprint, supporting ocean-friendly policies, and spreading awareness, we can help ensure that the mysteries of the deep ocean remain intact for future generations. The ocean is more than an unexplored frontier. It's a mirror of our planet's health. Its depths house microbial life that creates oxygen and sequesters carbon, playing a pivotal role in regulating the climate. Every discovery we make at the bottom of the ocean contributes to our understanding of Earth's life support systems, offering potential solutions to global challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss. The deep sea also sparks something fundamental in human nature: curiosity, adventure, and a sense of wonder. It reminds us how small we are in the grand scheme of things, but also how connected we are to the world around us. Protecting the ocean isn't just about saving marine life, it's about securing our shared future. What lies ahead for deep-sea exploration? The opportunities are boundless. As technology advances, we're likely to discover new species, minerals, and ecosystems that rewrite what we know about the natural world. Scientists may uncover life forms that hold secrets to medical breakthroughs or unearth new clues about Earth's geological and climatic history. But with great power comes great responsibility. The balance between exploration and preservation is delicate. By learning from our past mistakes and taking a measured approach, we can continue to explore the deep with care and respect for what truly lies beneath. As our journey comes to an end, one thing becomes clear. The deep ocean is as much a part of our world as the land we walk on. It's a place of unimaginable beauty and resilience, but it's also a fragile ecosystem under threat. Now is the time to act. So, will you answer the call? Will you start small by cutting back on plastic? Or will you join the voices of conservation advocating for a healthier planet? However you choose to help, know that every action matters, and together, we can protect this mysterious underwater world for generations to come. It's time to take the dive. Explore, protect, and cherish the deep. The ocean, and our planet, depends on it.